deleted 2 million fake accounts that year alone.
9 years ago, American troops...
IS revealed the existence in St. Petersburg of a troll factory employing 300 people. The entity officially operated as the Internet Research Agency, managed by an oligarch, Yevgeny Prigozhin. The duties of the employees included publishing on the Internet, mainly in social media. How do troll factories operate? Employees of troll factories create fake identities and run their profiles in social media. It is important to create an impression of the authenticity of the created account, therefore, not only the content related to. The profiles feature images taken from ready-made Internet repositories, modified to deceive Internet search engines. Since the troll factory employs hundreds of people and each employee has several accounts, it is easy to create a social network linking fake profiles and creates the impression of a real one. The longer the given accounts are maintained, the easier it is to create the illusion of reality. People employed in troll factories often work in shifts to ensure that the messages they produce can be displayed on a 24-hour basis. What do troll factories produce? Products of troll factories include, among others, fake social media profiles. Entire websites are created to support trolling operations. Posts published in social media as well as on websites, blogs, etc. They can also simulate disputes in order to increase the impression of the reality of fake profiles through which they disseminate the content that they create. Professional and amateur trolling. Troll factories take action in a planned manner, in accordance with the recommendations of the ordering party, who pays for posting specific types of messages and comments on the Internet. The activities of Internet trolls are paid for and controlled by top-down guidelines. The content they create reaches volunteers who continue their propaganda and disinformation operations of their own free will, without any compensation, because the messages distributed by troll factories are in line with their political views, supported ideology, etc.